Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your legal attorney for today. Kindly share, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Today I'll be discussing about alternative dispute resolution known as ADRO, which is a better tool for resolving disputes compared to litigation and using courtrooms. ADRO is a process of resolving disputes resolution that does not involve the courtroom. It helps to resolve matters amicably. Now, what are the advantages of ADRO? Speed. One, I'll talk about speed and cost. ADRO is faster and it saves cost compared to litigation. Litigation is more expensive than alternative dispute resolution. Secondly, I'll talk about privacy. ADRO proceedings most times are private, unlike the court proceedings, which is actually open to the public, except in special circumstances. I will also be talking about flexibility. ADRO is more flexible in terms of settlement because it is tailored to the needs of the parties that are involved in the matter or trying to resolve their disputes. ADRO also helps preserve relationship because it promotes reconciliation. ADRO has a better chance of preserving the friendship between parties so they won't be enemies for life, unlike litigation and court processes. Now, another advantage is that it reduces the workload of the courts. ADRO helps in reducing the workload on the court system, whereby issues are resolved, parties do not need to go to court anymore. So it helps to reduce the workload of the court. Now, what are the disadvantages of ADRO? I'll talk about the limited scope. Not all cases can be settled through ADRO or by ADRO. You cannot settle matters concerning election petition, judicial review, enforcement of fundamental rights, declaration of title to land. You cannot settle these cases through ADRO, alternative dispute resolution. They have to go through litigation and court processes. Another disadvantage is that it is not suitable for emergencies. ADRO is not useful for emergency situation, especially where the parties need to maintain status quo, like interlocutory injunctions. There are no appeals. ADRO does not provide room or mechanisms for appeal. Where a party is not satisfied about the settlement or award given, he has to institute an action in court. Another problem too is about enforcement challenges. It is difficult at times to enforce ADRO decisions and awards. Also, another disadvantage is that it has a non-final decision, except maybe for arbitration that there is an award given at the end. Most ADRO decisions, they are not final and they are not binding. Now, when is the best time to use ADRO? The best time to use ADRO is at the early stage of every matter, even maybe before instituting such matters in court. Now, what are the forms of ADRO? I will talk about a few. Negotiation. Negotiation is a direct discussion between both parties. There is no neutral third party trying to help the parties resolve their disputes. Both parties, they negotiate on their own. Another one is mediation. Mediation is a voluntary and non-binding private process where a neutral party known as the mediator helps the parties to reach an agreement and resolve their disputes. Another one is conciliation. Conciliation is a resolution process facilitated by a third party known as the conciliator. The conciliator helps the parties in resolving their disputes. We have arbitration as well. Arbitration is a process where an arbitrator resolves the disputes between both parties. And the final decision is known as an award, which is binding on the parties. Like I stated earlier, there are some limitations of AGRO. Declaration of title to land, you cannot use AGRO. Interpretation of documents, statutes, constitution, you cannot use alternative dispute resolution. Declaration of status in matrimonial causes, you cannot use alternative dispute resolution. Enforcement of fundamental rights, criminal offenses, especially capital offenses like murder, application for judicial review, election petition cases, injunction, you cannot use alternative dispute resolution. I always advise people, clients, friends, and family to always explore alternative dispute resolution, as this is the best mechanism to help resolve disputes in our society, especially when they are facing minor issues. They can always explore alternative dispute resolution. It will help to keep the society together. It will help to avoid conflict and enmity between parties, persons, and the society in general. I hope this is educational for you and it has taught you a lot. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please. Like, share, and comment. Give me your thoughts also, and tell me in the comment section if you feel alternative dispute resolution is better than the litigation process. Thank you.